Hello, it's Jake and welcome back. We've just found this Austin A35. I nearly bought one of these about 9 months ago, and wow, yeah, the rust is really bad on this one. This is a 4-door. Now I wanted a 2-door because I was going to do a track car. Definitely somewhat on my list to try, but this one's seen better days. Oh wow, look at the floor. I don't think that fan come with the car. I think someone's just lobbed that in. Oh, one of these cars beside us. But yeah, an Austin A35. Obviously the grill's gone straight away because the grill. But there's the engine. The engine's in this one. A typical engine from the time. These were used in everything. Just like the Mars Miners down there. I want to get one of those engines. I want to do an engine rebuild, and it's going to be one of them. But yeah, look at this. This has seen better days. Does the door actually latch or? Nah. Complete bottom's gone on this one. Completely gone. Shot. I think Anna's just found a Proton. But it's got one headlight. This door's gone. Yeah, the bottom's all gone on that door as well. All the junk inside. There's someone's shoes. Steering wheel's still there though, which is nice. I don't know if we can get in the boot. Oh, there we go. And just loads of parts in the boot. But hey, if you want to see one of these on the channel, let me know, because I have thought about it. I actually looked at buying one just before I got the red Porsche, because I was going to get one of these. Now I was going to get a Herald, and then the Porsche come up, the 924. So it was a no-brainer really. The Porsche was actually cheaper than one of these. But yeah, there you go. We'll see what else we can find. But thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.